All right, we just got to Mexico City, getting ready to head down to Acapulco for the weekend. Brett's here too. Again.
Hey guys, I'm back on the YouTube channel again.
We're getting ready to meet a bunch of friends out here and roll down. It's about a 45-minute flight or so. 35-minute flight, super short. But this is the jet we're rolling down. Pretty cool little guy, little 8-seater. What is that, Hawker 800?
Yep. Yes, it is.
Right. Cool little plane. So stay tuned. We'll show you guys what's going on next. Brett.
It'd be good if our friends would show up.
Dude.
We're sitting here like a bunch of homeless people in the hangar again.
I know, every time. Oh wait, here's one. Here's one. She's excited. JK. Finally, our friends just got here. Nice little bulletproof X5. Get it.
Acapulco.
Always fun.
Another really solid decision making begins for the weekend.
Here's the bad news. Never let us drink on the plane because it turns out we scoot the pilots over and end up flying the plane.
Oh, I actually have a picture of that.
It was pretty ridiculous. But yeah, we're in Acapulco now for a little bit.
Josh used to fly planes. He hasn't flown in 6 years, so he thought he'd get back into it on a Hawker 800 with 7 lives on board. But it's fine. The rules are a little loose and fast out there.
Yeah, it's Mexico. Guys, finally back in Colorado. Always fun to get down to Mexico when it's cold here in Colorado. It's 88 degrees down there. It's hard to say no. Anyways, time to get back to the grind. We've got one location we're going to look at buying for the escape rooms right now. And then I've got to go check on our cruise. We're actually opening an escape room for A Quiet Place 2. We were contracted by Paramount Pictures, and yeah, got to make sure that's ready to roll. That movie comes out this month in March, so that room's got to be ready to roll. So stay tuned till next week. We'll show you guys A Quiet Place 2 escape room, the only one in the US. Pretty cool. So see you guys next week.